Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to return a package to Aliexpress. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, the thing with Aliexpress here, you can actually request a refund or return on specific item. So if you receive an item or incorrect here, you'll have the option or you may the option to get a refund on that specific item. But then again, there are going to be some limitations that you need to understand here. Now, the first thing that you need to understand here is refunds are entirely dependent on the seller, so they may require you to return the item and ship it back to them. But some sellers would actually don't require you to do that. Can keep the item for free without while also having a refund on your order. But then again, this is up to the seller itself. Now, you might be wondering, how do you exactly proceed with your refund here? Well, typically speaking, you just need to go your account right here and you want to go the My Order section. Now, here you will find all of your orders. As I don't have any order, but I will show you the process. So if you have any order here, then below the order you will an option called return and refund. So as an example, this is what you'll be seeing. So just need to click on returns or refunds. By the way, if you don't see this, you may want to click on your order first in for you to see that button. But to be speaking, once you've actually clicked on it, you just need to proceed with the details here. So for example, what's the delivery status here, and also the reason from what's the reason why you want to refund your item. Now from here, just provide all the details, even photos and videos here. But you need to understand here that a seller will only give you refund if it's actually reasonable. Now, in most cases, stores here are quite reasonable, so they might not require you to do a refund here, especially for items that doesn't actually require, in this case, items that aren't sellable once you've actually received it. Like for example, some undergarments. So sometimes they will not require you to basically make a refund on that item. And if I'm not mistaken, you won't be able to get a refund on items or personal that is like undergarments. You won't be able to get a refund for that. But in some cases, it actually depends on the actual seller itself if they would proceed with a refund. But that said, you won't be able to get a refund here on Aliexpress just because you want a refund and just keep the item for free. You can only get or basically just keep the item and get a refund on it if it has like a valid reason. Again, if it's broken or it's an occurred item, the seller itself or the store itself would actually determine if you can keep the item itself. So there's no going around that. So if you try doing this yourself without any proper reason, most likely you might be flagged as a scammer here and you may get your account in this case flagged. So which is something you don't want here. But yeah, so the only way for you to get a refund here and keep the item is most likely if product is defective and request a refund here right away that show you before. You will probably would get a refund here as long it's a valid reason. Now once you requested return on your, you just have to go to refund and return section here. Here you have to put your order number, the store from which you bought item, and then here it will give you the information about your order and also tell the status of your order, like it is cancelled, shipped or in pending. As if you go to Aliexpress return policy, it says Aliexpress exercises relatively flexible return rules that allow most items to be returned free with no reasons required, as long as product eligibility and conditions meet the outlined situations. So yeah, that's about it. So that's basically how you can return a package or order to Aliexpress. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.